Germany says 18 Saudi nationals will be barred from Europe's border-free Schengen zone because of their suspected links to the killing of Saudi writer Jamal Khashoggi. Officials in California say nearly 1,000 people remain missing after the deadliest wildfire in the state's history. Israel avoids early elections after a party in Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's coalition said it would not withdraw from the government. And Nissan says its chairman, Carlos Ghosn, was arrested and will be dismissed following reports he underreported his earnings and was involved in other wrongdoing.